Everyone thinks the best-selling toilet safety rails are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Lianjin Dun Toilet Safety Rails. Priced at $41.41. What caught my attention is its strong aluminum frame that supports up to 350 pounds. If you want a reliable safety solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The sturdy aluminum construction means it's not just about holding weight, it's about ensuring daily safety. Many elderly or disabled individuals struggle with slips or falls, especially in wet bathroom environments. This frame provides that essential support when sitting or standing, directly addressing those safety concerns. And with over 7,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people trust it. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky for some. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and doesn't require tools, which is great for those who may struggle with complex setups. This is perfect for you if you need sturdy support while using the bathroom, but skip this one if you prefer something that's more compact for travel. Overall, it's a solid investment for bathroom safety. Now, if the assembly issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Homeland Toilet Safety Rails. Let's check out the Homeland Toilet Safety Rails. At $39.99, this one is slightly less expensive and also supports up to 350 pounds. If you're looking for enhanced stability, this could be your go-to option. Why does this matter? The Homeland rails come with C-clamps for added support, which means if you lean on it, you'll feel confident that it won't budge. This is especially significant for seniors and those recovering from surgeries. The adjustable height and width allow it to fit most toilet sizes, which makes it versatile for different households. It has over 2,000 sales recently, indicating that a lot of people are finding value in it. However, some users found the weight a bit cumbersome for moving around. But honestly, the added stability it provides is worth it for most users who need that extra assurance when getting up and down. This is ideal for anyone needing a sturdy rail for daily bathroom use, but skip it if you're looking for something lightweight for travel. It's a great option for safety and peace of mind. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing extra support.
Product number 3, Pelagon Toilet Safety Rails. Let's move on to the Pelagon Toilet Safety Rails. Priced at $55.98, this option stands out with its enhanced stability features. If you need a safety rail that feels secure, this one is worth considering. The Pelagon rails are lab-tested to support up to 350 pounds, and they're designed to provide a sense of security as you lean on them. This is crucial for elderly users or those who may feel unsteady. The tool-free assembly means you can have it set up in no time, and the adjustable height and width guarantee a good fit for almost any toilet type. With about 2,000 sold last month, it's gaining traction among buyers. Some users mentioned that the design feels a bit bulkier compared to others. Here's the thing though, that bulkiness actually adds to its stability, which is what many people prioritize for safety. It's perfect for you if you want a hassle-free setup and maximum stability, but skip it if you're looking for a more compact model. It's a great investment in safety and reliability. Now, if the bulkiness isn't your style, the next product offers a different design.
Product number 4, Medical King Toilet Safety Rail. We have the Medical King Toilet Safety Rail priced at just $33.24. What I liked about this product is its portable design. If you want something easy to move around, this might be your best bet. This rail is designed for easy sitting and standing with extra strong suction cups for stability. This feature is vital for anyone who might be worried about slips. It also has adjustable widths and heights to fit different toilet types comfortably. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's proving to be popular among users. However, some have noted that the handles could use a little more padding for comfort. But honestly, the non-slip texture helps a lot, and for many users, it's a minor issue compared to the overall safety it provides. This is perfect for you if you need a portable option, but skip this if you prefer something that feels more permanent in your bathroom. It's a solid choice for those looking for mobility. Now, if you want to see another great option, let's look at our last product.
Product number 5, another Homeland Toilet Safety Rail. We have another option from Homeland, also with adjustable height and width. It's priced at $35.99, and it has a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, just like the others. If you want something that's easy to install, then consider this one.
This toilet safety rail is made from lightweight aluminum, making it easy to clean and manage. The non-slip EVA pads give a good grip while sitting or standing, which is crucial for safety in the bathroom. The adjustable dimensions mean it fits a variety of toilet sizes, which many users appreciate. It has about 1,000 sales recently, showing it's gaining a following. Some users mentioned that it might not fit all toilet designs perfectly, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you check the compatibility beforehand, it's a great option for those who need stable support. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss installation. But skip this if you have a uniquely shaped toilet that might not support it. It's a worthwhile investment for daily safety.
We've covered the Lianjian, HOML, Pelagon, Medical King, and another HOML toilet safety rails. Each offers unique benefits, from portability to enhanced stability. So, depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a suitable option for you in this list.